What's up, what's up? Today we'll be installing the Waterpik Power Pulse 2-in-1 shower system. So to get started, what the instructions tell you is you need a mechanical wrench, which it got actually the adjustable wrench, but I got a mechanical wrench, and a soft cloth. And the soft cloth is used so that you don't like scrape your stuff, because you know it's look nice and shiny, you don't want to tear it up early, so they tell you that get the soft cloth on there to help it be easier to install. So starting with the first piece, this piece right here needs to be installed where this is facing to the right. This needs to be facing to the right. So if you can come in and see, put this on here, make sure it's lined up, and you can screw it first with your fingers. And again, make sure the side is to the right. Yep, screw that all the way up. And then we want to use the soft cloth, put it over there with the pliers, and make sure it's tight. And again, the soft cloth is used so that it doesn't scratch it up. And that's what the goal is, to make sure you don't scratch your stuff up. And make sure it's tight, nice and tight. And the tighter you have it, the better it is so water doesn't leak out. You see, can't even screw that off with my hand because it's so tight. Next, you take the big shower head, which will be a piece by itself, and then you want to install this right here in the front. And our hose is going to connect right here and go around. So you just take this, screw it, and you can just hold it with your hands and screw it until it gets on. That's really easy. And then this is the last thing you'll need to use this for, the cloth and the mechanical wrench or mechanical pliers. Put the cloth over there. And you want to make sure it's tight, but not too tight. Perfect. So the point of using the pliers is to make sure that it's on tight and no water comes out. You know, you want to make sure it's secure. So now next we'll connect this, which comes by itself. And as you can see, this is the part that we attach to the shower head. Like it comes with a yellow sticker that says attach this in to the shower head. So this will go underneath here. If you could get in closer, you can see there's a spot underneath for this. And this is where this goes. And you just need your hands to screw this on. You don't need no pliers for this. Just screw it on as tight as it goes with your hands, and that's good enough. And then lastly, you just connect the shower head, which is the last piece right here, the smaller shower head. And all you do is screw this on here. That's it, real simple. And once that's screwed in, of course, you take this little yellow sticker off and let you know that this is where the shower head connects to. Make sure that's on tight, make sure that's on tight. Slide it right in there just like that. Yep, and it's all set. Yeah. See that? And then you just change the settings. So you can do this one by itself, this one by itself, or both. And that completes our video today of the 2-in-1 Waterpik Shower Pulse. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see y'all next time on Building with Dad. Whoop, whoop. What's up, what's up? Today we installing the Waterpik Power Pulse shower. What's up, what's up? Today we'll be installing the Waterpik Power Pulse.
I'ma give the glory to God, all the praise he deserves that.